Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Ella Berries Africa. In our today's tutorial, we're going to be learning how to join the pieces together, these pieces together. I've done the sewing tutorial, so if you haven't watched that, please go ahead and watch it so that you can understand what we are doing here. So if this is what you want, please stay to the end, and then don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more interesting videos. If you are a returning subscriber, you are welcome. If you are a new subscriber, also welcome. So let's not waste much time, let's get to the tutorial. So guys, just like I told you, these are the different pieces in which we already cut out in our previous tutorial. This is the back and front piece. Yeah, we went ahead to place it on our fabric. As you can see, we place on our fabric to cut it out. We also cut out the lining piece, leaving out half inches all around, as you can see. So once I had to cut out everything like so. So once we're done, went ahead to start joining the pieces together. Of course, this is the lining piece, this is the front panel, and just like you can see, this is the center front and the two bustier. We added our bustier, our padded to it before joining it. So once I was done joining that center front, I went ahead to join the last piece of the front panel. I went ahead to join the other side, that's the other last dart that we made. I went ahead to join it, as you can see, using my machine. It's very simple. The joining is very simple. So guys, once I was done joining the front piece, this is what I got, as you can see. Yeah, so I'll go ahead to join the back piece. So these are the back piece, guys. So just like I'm placing it, that's where I'll join it. Yeah, I'm going to be starting with this one. I'll go ahead and join it like so. So guys, once I was joining the back piece, this is what I got. I'll do the same thing to the other side. And once I'm done, I went ahead to join the back piece and the front piece, the lining piece separately. I'm going to be repeating the same process for the main fabric. Yes, I'll repeat the same process for the main fabric. And once I'm done, I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. So guys, this is what it looks like. This is the main fabric. I joined all the parts, the pieces together. So the thing is that you join the front, the lining piece differently, the main fabric differently. So this is the lining piece also. Yeah, this is the lining piece that I joined differently, as you can see, and the other one is the back piece. So notice that is on the lining piece that I added my wording. That is why the breast part is actually standing. You add your wording on your lining piece for a clean job, and the main fabric doesn't have any padded, and that's why it's not standing. So I went ahead to do my bias that I'll be using to pipe it. No, that I'll be using to insert my bonnet. So once I was done, I started sewing it on the main fabric. I started with the middle one, as you can see. Yeah, I started with the middle one. So I went ahead to fix it on all the lines. You can fix it anywhere you want, any part that you want. You can make any design that you want based on your desire. That's what I did. So I fixed one here, and on the other side I fixed about three, and I also used it in covering all the lines that we had. I used it to cover all these sewn lines, as you can see. So guys, once I was done, this is what I got. As you can see, these are all the lines. I also fixed around the back, as you can see. So this is what I got. So So guys, I went ahead to join the lining piece and main fabric together. I started with the neckline. I joined the neckline, and right now I'm just trying to trace the part where I'm going to sew on the sides. So I joined the side. Once I was done, this is what I got. So next, I sat all my boning on all those lines. You mustn't fix it on all the lines, so like I skipped some line actually. I skipped some lines like on that breast line. I did not I didn't that's the that space for the breast. I did not insert a boning because my boning wasn't enough. I used a non-sewable boning. So in the end now, I'm trying to pipe the lower parts. As you can see, I went ahead to pipe it using that bias that I made from the door face, from the black door face. So guys, once we're done, this is what we got. Voila! Yeah, this is what we got. You can see everything in one piece. After all said and done, this is what we got finally. You can see there's no sign of where it was stitched. And this is one of my students. This is actually a student project, and this is her fitting it. As you can see, how nice it came out. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more interesting videos. Bye bye. See you guys in my next class.